Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging from my Amazon haul. Y'all, I don't even remember now what number video I'm on. So, anyway, I've got 3 canvases, but before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. I hope everybody's having a great day, and don't forget about my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business. All links will be in the description boxes. Alright, so I have got 3 canvases here for you. Now, I am going to go through this quite quickly, and I won't show the drills unless it's something spectacular. But I am going to go over the canvases because I'm going to try to keep the video under 15 minutes because it takes too long to upload. Alright, so I'm just going to grab this one and go with it. Alright, so this is a, what is this? This is a 30 by 40, and it is a poured glue, and this is pre-bagged round, so that's pretty good. And as you can see, they have got the numbers on the bags, but that's it. But they look good. Very pretty colors. Yep. They do look good. Look at that big old bag of white. Alright. Then they have got a pretty decent toolkit. It's got a multi-placer, the white Mosfa boat, which I call a Mufasa, a big old thing of wax, a squishy, and some baggies. Alright, so this one is a little disappointing to me, but hopefully you can see it in the camera because I can see it in the camera a whole lot better than looking at it with my naked eye. So this one is, let me see, this one was $3.99, which I'm glad I didn't pay any more than that for it, but it is a girl gnome. They're all girl gnomes. There's one here, there's another one, there's 2 in the car, here's 2 over here. It's a pink Cadillac. She's got a surfboard. All of this right here are signs. And then there's some leaves. But what it is supposed to be from the image on Amazon was the girl gnomes were headed to the beach. Okay? So, and then I can see this in the camera, but it does say, good Lord, you can barely see this one. I think it says summer, or, y'all, I don't know. But there's the thumbnail, and I might take a screenshot if I think of it and put it in so that you can actually see what this is supposed to look like according to Amazon. Alright, so 24 colors. There are no DMCs. And it is numbers and letters. It is cute. I think it will be cuter once it's done. But yes, I am very disappointed. That might say Surf's Up or Summer or something. I don't know. I do know that it was supposed to say something. And all the little girl gnomes are supposed to be in like bikinis and stuff. So, alright. So, I'm not going to dwell on this one. So, I'm going to set this one to the side. And like I said, I only gave $3.99 for it anyway. So, no big deal. Alright. I'm not real sure what this is, but it does come in the Ziploc baggie, and I've had one of these before, and they are a pain in the butt to get out of these bags. But the bag does say diamond painting, and it's a nice Ziploc type bag. but they are hard to get out of. Alright. Very scratchy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all. Uh-oh. Whoo! I was getting a little nervous there. Alright, so let me... It's a little wrinkled, I guess, where they shoved it in that darn bag. But it is poured glue, so it's no big deal. And it is rounds. I'm double checking them all now because I thought I had a round earlier and it was a square. Alright. So, this is a wolf. Alright, and it is a 35 by 45. And that just keeps wanting to fold over. Yeah, that's what it was, is they had an issue trying to get it in that bag. Which I don't think I'm going to put it back in the bag. But anyway, this has got 29 colors. And no DMC numbers on the bags. But it does have the bag, or the, good grief. The canvas number on the bags. I just kind of went blank. But look at those. Aren't those pretty? Look at that. It's like a green, blue, some purple, pinks. This one's going to be absolutely gorgeous with all these different colors. Beautiful. Alright, let me look and see. Y'all, I gave $3.49 for this one. So, the drill field is clear. This is going to be super duper confetti heavy. Oh my. Alright, so with the 29 colors, there are symbols, there are numbers, there's everything. But it does have the DMC numbers on the schematic. And maybe y'all can see what it's supposed to look like by the thumbnail. Very, very sticky, obviously. Alright. So yeah, this is really, really colorful. Y'all, it is really pretty. Have y'all seen this one on Amazon? I think it's really pretty. But yeah, it's going to be massive confetti. Alright. So again, I only gave $3.49 for this one. So I'm going to put that over to the side. And like I said, it has the regular toolkit, which it has the... Oh no, that ain't the moss boat neither. That's just a regular white boat, squishy, pink wax, clear pen, and a 3-placer, and some baggies. Alright, so I'm going to put that one over to the side. And then we will open this one. I'm not real sure what this one is either. So all I did was open the end of it. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, so this one I got because I was watching another YouTube creator. And she is California Karen. And then she's got some numbers on the end of her thing. And I'm sorry, Karen, I don't remember what it is, but I will put her YouTube channel in my description box because I seen this on her channel and I got it because I liked it. So, if y'all have been on her channel, you know what this is. It is round. It is poured glue. Let me see. Let me make sure this is... No, this is another square. Yay. I love squares. I love them. All right, so Karen, California Karen, had this on her channel. I don't remember what she gave for it. It might have been the same amount, but I gave $4.99 for this. And I loved it, y'all. It is a barn and a big old blue truck. And I absolutely fell in love with this. And I am going to do this one eventually. And I am going to frame it and put it on my wall. Because this is the type of stuff that I like to put on my walls. In my living room and stuff. So, as you can see, they are already bagged up. But look at all them colors. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. It has the canvas number on the bags. So this can be separated from this. And they are squares. I absolutely love square canvases. I love them. Now it comes with a regular toolkit. It has the clear pen. It has blue wax, a squishy, and a white boat. Now, I love the blue wax. I've used it before, and I think it's better than the pink. So, I like that blue wax. So, let's see. The edges are scalloped, so that way it'll keep from fraying. There's the thumbnail of the image. Is that not gorgeous? And it has 32 colors, and we have numbers, letters, symbols, and it does have the DMC on the schematic. So we have a schematic on the lower right, top left, and let's check and see how sticky this is. Ooh, I just ripped it. Oh my God, that is like really, really, really sticky. All right, no big deal. I did just rip that though, the plastic on it. All right, so let's look at the drill field. Now there is going to be quite a bit of confetti in this, but y'all, look at how clear this is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I can't wait to do this one. Yeah, I love this one. And like I said, I'll put Karen's YouTube channel in here on my description box. That way, if you are not subscribed to her channel, you need to go over and subscribe, because she does all kinds of stuff. She does shopping. She does all kinds of unbaggings. Gosh, she does all kinds of stuff, y'all. So, I am very, very, very pleased with these, except for this one. And like I said, I will put a picture on here so that y'all can see what this sucker actually looked like. But yeah, that's just awful. It's just awful. All right, well, you know, it happens. It happens, and I have been very, very, very lucky with all the canvases that I have purchased from different companies, Amazon, you know, and to get one out of, you know, however many years now I've been diamond painting 3, and to get one that's crap, that's not too bad. So, all right, y'all. So let me know what y'all think about these, and I guess until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.